This is Govee's DreamView. This entire light show is a built-in feature inside the Govee app. Every tree, curtain, rope light, and accent you see here is synced together with a single tap. So that means no programming, no sequencing, nothing complicated. So easy, even a Ginja could do it. Today's sponsored video, I'm gonna show you how Govee's DreamView and SceneStage lighting shows actually work and how I installed everything you see here, from the trees to the house lights. And if you ever want to do something like this but felt overwhelmed, you might be surprised how easy it really is. Now, over the past year and a half, I've been building up my Govee collection, and right now what I've been showing you is the Govee Christmas sparkle string lights here, the Govee Christmas string lights too on the rest of the trees. Then I have the Govee curtain lights too, the Govee Prism outdoor lights on my house. I've got the Govee cone tree lights, which I've had new this year. How's that for a presentation? And believe it or not, I didn't do any special programming, and I'm gonna show you exactly how I made all this work. We're gonna get into the little nitty-gritty details, but let's start off with the install. We'll talk about the prisms. Guess what? The best part is, just like traditional Christmas lights, you get to reinstall these every single year for the rest of your life. Not. The best part is you're going to install them permanently using this 3M double-sided sticky tape, and also it's got these built-in mounts if you want to reinforce them to ensure that they never come off. There's a couple of things that's nice about this. Number one, it's peel and stick, peel and stick. I find that it's way faster to install these than traditional Christmas lights. Whether it be the Outdoor Permanent Lights Prism or the Outdoor Permanent Lights Pro, these have done awesome. And I live in a mountain region, so we get all the high highs, we get all the low lows, but installation, pretty quick and easy. I did 180 linear feet in about an hour and a half. And then the best part is, I haven't had to do them since. They're just up and doing their thing the way that they're supposed to. These are the Christmas string lights too, and I absolutely love these, and I'll show you why. It's literally just this easy. You just do a couple of circles here and there, and you don't have to get fancy with this. Now, for those of you out there who absolutely just have this need to be super duper fancy, you still can. Now, I know what a lot of you guys out there are thinking, come on, Ginja, I actually like a more traditional Christmas look. So let me just show you. They thought of that too. These are the Govee Christmas sparkle lights, and they've got that traditional head on them, just like a lot of you guys out there are looking for. If there was one thing that really upped my Christmas game, it was the tree lights. I really didn't know I was living in the old Pioneer cart days until I went from spending a bunch of money at the local hardware store on regular Christmas tree lights, and then I tested these out. There's just so much more that you can do with these lights, the fluidity that you're gonna get. I guess some of these patterns go from top to bottom, some of them are kind of exploding from the middle out, but they just look really good. Now, I will say, I've mentioned this a couple of times, this wire is different looking. We've got a single LED that's right in the middle of the line. One of the coolest features for me was the installation. It is called shape mapping. So earlier I showed you how simple and fast that I installed these lights, and there's a reason why I can get away with that. So after you wrap your tree or whatever object that you're decorating with the string lights or the sparkle string lights, all you gotta do is open the Govee app. We go into the shape mapping, and then we're gonna hit scan. The camera identifies every LED on the strand, literally each individual bead, and maps their position in 3D. So why does that matter? Because any scene that you apply after this will actually follow the shape of your tree. So you get smoother motion, directional effects, and animations that travel the same way that you wrap the lights instead of just randomly flashing. So for me, shape mapping has just been a game changer. One of my favorite outdoor lighting products that gets the most attention from the roadway has got to be the Govee curtain lights too. There's just so much that you can do with this product. Rolls-Royce absolutely loves being near it because of all the attention that he gets from the passerbyers. But this is one of those products that just kind of speaks for itself. Installation, again, extremely easy. Again, it's just peel and stick, and then at the very end of it, you're gonna install these guide rails down below to keep everything nice and flat and tight in a line. Installation is done, so how do we get all of this to work together as a light show? Well, believe it or not, Govee's got two built-in sequences. One is called DreamView, the other is called SceneStage. They're the same, but they're actually dramatically different at the same time. So let me kind of explain. This is DreamView, and it's the reason the entire setup looks like one coordinated light show instead of a bunch of individual lights doing their own thing. So DreamView, it syncs with every device in real time. So you pick a Christmas scene, hit apply, all the lights, the trees, the curtains, the string lights, the prisms, they all match the same motion and color transitions instantly. So no programming, no sequencing, nothing complicated. So if you want the easiest path to a full Christmas light show, this is the feature, and it's so easy to use. When we come in here, I've got my DreamView going. So we'll click inside of DreamView, and then what I'm gonna do is make sure that my control devices has everything that I want to sequence together. So you're gonna see my neon lights, I've got the floodlights, I've got my string lights, and I also have the sparkle lights, and of course, the prism lights on my house. And I want all of these to make sure. So I've got all of those sequenced together. And then as soon as I do that, I can choose my scenes down at the bottom. So I can go from my romantic scene, my falling cherry blossoms, and then we can kind of skip over here to some of the ones that are a little bit more, I would say, aggressive, like the party scene. And you'll notice the cone lights have kind of a different vibe than everything else. There's a couple of things that you need to understand about this. We can add some background music here, and you can choose the background music directly from your phone, or it's got some built-in sequences depending on which one that you're gonna choose. And so a lot of these are going to dance and do different things. Some of my favorite ones have to do with the basketball sequences, and then coming over here to the games. But the cone trees are a really nice touch. So if you're not one that likes to spend the time to fluff up a tree, put the lights on it, the cone trees are a nice little hack, but they play so well together. Let's kind of check out some of my other favorite ones, like the robot battle. Now, the best part about this is you'll notice how everything just kind of looks the same but different. It all plays together, and that's all part of the light show. So we take it way back and get you into the Matrix. These are just so much fun, but there is so much that you can choose from. And I gotta say, I'm a little bit of a nerd. I like the tropical colors. And the coolest part is these white trees. It was like the last thing that I ever thought about buying, but the white trees, everything just really pops. So next up is SceneStage, and this is different from DreamView. And what I've learned, DreamView keeps all of your lights synchronized, and SceneStage actually creates motion across your entire lighting setup. So here's how it works. SceneStage is available through the Govee Curtain Lights 2 application. So I scroll down to SceneStage, choose the right arrow. Inside SceneStage, you can manage any and all devices that connect together in SceneStage. So after we choose all the devices we want part of the scene, we choose the area settings, and that takes your real world layout. So if you know where your trees, your curtains, your roof line, your walkway all are, you can map that out onto a 2D canvas right inside the app. So you're gonna place each device where it sits in real life, and the app assigns coordinates to every device. Now the effects can travel from one device to another with spatial awareness. So instead of every device running the same animation, the motion flows through your yard. It can sweep across the roof line, then spill onto the tree, ripple across the curtains, and wrap around the house. That's what makes SceneStage feel like an actual light show instead of just matching lights. Let's dive right into the app, and I'll quickly walk you through this just so you can get an idea of where the core controls are and you know where everything is in the app. I feel like the app's well written. Anybody can use this app. Now, as far as connecting each device, super simple. You can do Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. They'll all show up in your device list once it's paired. It's as easy as clicking on this plus button in the upper right-hand corner. It's going to scan it there. You do the pairing, and then it's going to show up on your home page. Now, all lights come with their own preset library. So the sparkle string lights have 140 plus scenes, string lights too have 130 plus, and the curtain and cone lights each have their own collections as well. And to change things, it's just this easy. We can get right into the lights here, and down below here, we're on the festival tab. I just do a one tap click to choose the Christmas shape bee. We can go over to Valentine's. We can go over to the funny collections and hit the music show. We can also hit the emotions, right? The sky's the limits, and the best part is you can hit it with the AI bot as well. Now, to access DreamView is just as simple. We're going to go to the shortcut tab in the bottom here, and then we're going to click on DreamView, hit on, and then just like we had before, everything in DreamView picks up and syncs. And just like the tree that we just went through right now, it's got its own presets, and at a click of a button we can go to Fantasy Island, hit the anniversary tab, we'll go to dance party a little bit, and you'll see there's a lot of differences between everything. I would say the festival tab is my own personal favorite. This is really where you're going to see the cone lights just start to shine, and just the different formations that it offers you. Keep in mind, the curtain lights are also changing at the same time. So I've got my rope lights, I've got the flood lamps, you'll notice in the background, everything just kind of changing. SceneStage has its own tab. So this is where you're going to place your devices on canvas and run spatial effects. It's as simple as going into the curtain lights 2, and then you're going to go down to SceneStage, make sure that it's on. It's going to connect to the device, and just like all the other ones, you have full access to the templates. Another cool feature that Govee offers is the AI lighting bot. Now, I wouldn't consider myself a super creative person when it comes to designing lights. So with the AI lighting bot, you can use verbal commands in individual Govee lights or even in DreamView. And this is what you use when you want something totally custom without messing with a bunch of sliders or digging deep into the app. All you do is tell your prompt. So for example, create a warm gold and red Christmas sparkle. The AI builds the entire effect instantly. So your colors, transitions, brightness, spacing, all in one shot. Then you can even refine it. So let's say this. Make the red brighter, slow down the animation, and add a pulsing effect. It's a multi-turn conversation, so you can dial it in until it matches exactly what you want. But the simplicity is just amazing. So here's my final thoughts after running the entire setup for 2 full seasons now. Here's the bottom line. Govee makes it stupid simple to pull off a full Christmas lighting show without spending hours programming anything. DreamView syncs the whole yard instantly. SceneStage gives you those big motion effects across every device, and shape mapping makes your tree animations actually follow the shape of the wrap. So if you want custom lighting, the AI lighting bot builds effects instantly and lets you tweak them on the fly. Everything done inside the Govee app, and every product that I showed you today drops right into the system without any headaches. So for anybody wanting a clean, modern Christmas setup without getting technical, this is it. So if you want to check out any of the lights I used today, I'll post all the links in the description of the video. Per the usual, guys, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, hit me up down in the comments down below. You know I love to help you guys out. Until next time, guys, this is the Pest and Lawn Ginja. We're slaying Christmas light shows.